Prenses of Brazil is a company specializing in the manufacture, maintenance and repair of high-quality hydraulic presses, designed to meet the various types of application required by the market. Located in Araraquara, in the interior of São Paulo, Prenses of Brazil has a high-level multidisciplinary team made up of professionals with more than 20 years' experience in the market. Our hydraulic presses are manufactured using state-of-the-art technology, guaranteeing maximum durability and efficiency. We also have a wide variety of models to meet the specific needs of each project. In addition to developing, producing and marketing machines and equipment with the latest technology, Prenses of Brazil's main purpose is to offer a differentiated service and superior quality technical assistance. Our team is always ready to meet the demands of each client, offering intelligent and efficient solutions, seeking maximum satisfaction in every project. Tradition, trust and excellence are part of our history. We stand out in the market today for offering products of the highest quality and resistance, meeting the most varied needs of the industrial sectors and, above all, for having professionals who are committed to building solid and lasting partnerships, guaranteeing greater profitability, competitiveness and the best results for our customers. Press Brazil. Satisfaction that moves us. Prenses of Brazil manufactures various lines and machines. It can be used for drilling, deburring, deep drawing, cooker lines, automotive lines. Everything related to metal is with Prenses do Brazil. We work with the best on the market. I'm satisfied with the outcome at FEIMEC 2024. We have closed several deals with clients from Rio de Janeiro, Goiânia, Santa Catarina, Paraná, Minas Gerais and the state of São Paulo. It was a surprise for us. I would like to thank all these clients who are part of our history. Thank you very much. Press of Brazil. Satisfaction that moves us.